So she's back. It's been a hot minute. Okay, not gonna lie, it's been quite a long time.
Quarter-life crisis was eating her up.
Anyway, I hope you guys missed me because I'm back with another video. I've been following Denvy Wensley and her Cute Ways to Say I Love You miniseries in IG, and can I just say, I'm completely obsessed. So I figured I kind of want to try one too. If you haven't seen this cute, adorable Chinese takeout concept that she did, where she made those little paper fortune cookies with the cutest little note on it, I just couldn't handle it. I found it adorable. I am a sucker for these cute DIYs, plus it looks kind of easy to make. Might regret saying that later. So let's try it. Okay, grabbed a piece of paper, my pencil, and a ruler and started sketching out the takeout box. Until I realized that this wasn't easy to eyeball. So I decided to copy it from the internet. Not gonna lie, it took me longer than I thought to draw that on paper. But it turned out okay. Except for this part. I kinda screwed up. I used scissors because I was lazy to get a cutter. Entirely my fault. But it still seems acceptable, right? For the fortune cookie, I thought it was going to be easy because all you needed was a cutout circle. So I don't know if I'm just stupid or slow, but I got lost trying to figure out how to fold that cookie. So I went to search for a tutorial and it took me a couple of tries. I also decided to make 2 cookies in case I screw up one somewhere along the process, and I did. What the hell is this brown shade? It's either too light or too brown. Now I need to pray, because this is the design part and I can't afford making mistakes. Wait, don't let me screw up. I want to draw on all sides of the box, because why not? And I might regret saying that. You know when you think you're adding more strokes or more details, more color, because you're hoping that it would make things a lot better, and 90% of the time you just F up everything more. Yeah, I'm taking that risk. So one side is still take me out, just changing the font. So my thought process is like adding a boy and a girl on each side of the box, with a noodle on their mouth, kind of like the Lady and the Tramp moment, but instead of spaghetti, we're dealing with Chinese takeout noodles. That's the concept. Fancy. Then at the back of it is the bowl of noodles with steam coming out of it shaped like a heart, because that's how cheesy you want to get. One of my problems is that I have absolutely no idea how to draw a dude, so please be kind, don't judge me and my drawing skills, because my creativity has been super rusty. At this point, I just kind of want to color a little bit of it in, just the hair and the clothes. We've been wearing a lot of blue, and since it's my favorite color, I'ma just do blue. I'm not happy with the dude's face. Somebody teach me how to draw. You know what? It looks okay. It looks decent. I'ma keep it. I don't have a choice. Let's grab our glue that's probably the same age as me. Hopefully it doesn't dry up because I did not make any backup plans for this. Adding just a teeny bit of glue, don't want to wrinkle the paper too much. Then to complete this frustrating fortune cookie, I'm just gonna write a small note. Pray to God I've practiced enough for this and hope for the best. Tell me it looks like a fortune cookie. Tell me it looks like a fortune cookie. But I really hope it does. I mean, I tried my best. This is as far as my skills could go. I'm adding some fillers to the takeout and then place the... You know, I really tried my best with this fortune cookie. I mean, if it doesn't look like a fortune cookie, I have no idea what it is. I hope it's appreciated. And this is as far as my skills go. So, I'm a little proud of myself. It's not that bad. I think it's pretty cute. I mean, my sketch is a little bit, but you know, it's doable. I'd give myself like a 7 out of 10. Anyway, hope you give this video a big thumbs up. Hope you like it. Follow for more, and I hope to see you when I'm inspired. Which is soon, hopefully soon. Yeah, I need to get my life together, yeah. Bye!